y'all, this is your girl, the Glam Empress, and today we are going to be talking about 5 ways you can stand out as a makeup artist. And of course, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel, you guys. And if you are wanting to know what those 5 ways are to stand out, continue watching this video. Now, I know y'all like, now girl, just a few videos ago you was talking about how ain't nobody checking for you. How are you gonna give me 5 ways on how to stand out as a makeup artist when you're trying to do the same thing as well? Well, I'm here to tell y'all that just because I'm trying to figure out my avenues as a makeup artist don't mean I'm just sitting here talking about woe is me. I am out here in the field, baby. I'm going to conferences, I'm networking, I'm collaborating with different service providers and getting the tea, y'all, and I'm here to share it with you. So the first way on how to stand out as a makeup artist is creating a signature look. Now, I've gone back and forth with this myself, you guys, because I just consider myself as a full glam makeup artist. It is what it is. I love full glam. My signature is full glam, cut creases, glitter glams, even though they say it's out of style, but to me it's not. Like, I love just full glam heavy makeup, you guys, and that's my signature look. Having a signature look will definitely stand you out amongst the crowd because that means you know how to slay that same look on all ethnicities, you guys, which brings me into number 2. Being a diverse makeup artist. Now, I'm not gonna lie, and there's no disrespect because my black girls is definitely killing the game when it comes to makeup, but y'all, when I scroll up and down y'all pages, I just see that same black girl in all different shades of black, you guys. I don't see any fair-skinned people, I don't see any Islamic people, I don't see any Indian people, and I feel as though being a diverse makeup artist will definitely put you amongst the crowd. For example, you guys, I had a lady reach out to me, matter of fact, a few days ago, asking, do I feel comfortable doing Indian makeup? And I said, yes. I am in a diverse city, you guys. It's all different shades, all different sizes, all different everything where I live, you guys. So I have to feel comfortable being a makeup artist for all different ethnicities. I want my clients to feel comfortable, to know that I'm gonna make them look and feel good no matter what ethnicities they are, you guys. So being a diverse makeup artist is definitely key. Number 3, knowing which industry you want to work in. Do you want to work in bridal? Do you want to work with celebrities? Do you want to do stage makeup, fashion shows, horror movies, you guys? Know which industry you want to work in. Now, with me specifically, I want to take those regular clients who might have photo shoots or, you know, family photos, models. I want to take those clients, but I'm also trying to dibble and dabble into the bridal industry and also doing stage makeup as well, you guys. And again, I have to be diverse in order to be a makeup artist for all those different industries, you guys, because I feel as though if you lock yourself in a box, literally that's all you're gonna get is what's in that box. You're not gonna never know or see what other different industries you will be good at, and you never know who's watching you. You never know who you're going to work with, you guys. So knowing which industry, being a diverse makeup artist, and having a signature look are all what's going to make you stand out as an MUA. The 4th way to stand out as a makeup artist, especially if you're a new and upcoming beginner makeup artist, is investing in your skill and your craft. And investing don't mean that you're necessarily spending money, you guys. That can be investing your time. That can be investing on learning new knowledge, you guys. That can be, investing your money to take a makeup course, or to take a makeup course with your favorite makeup artist that you want to learn from, or maybe searching the internet and looking for models, you guys, and also spending money. Like, you just, wherever you want to go, that's what you need to do to get there. So investing in your craft, perfecting your craft, you guys, is the ways to stand out as a makeup artist. And again, as you guys can see, my model here sitting in the chair, she's fair skinned, you guys, but she absolutely trusts me to do her makeup. I love doing makeup, and when I say I love doing makeup, I don't want to just love doing makeup on one ethnicity, you guys. I want to love doing makeup on all ethnicities. So investing in your craft and your skill and learning more and working with different features, facial features, definitely will make you stand out as a makeup artist. I know a lot of makeup artists, especially again my black girls out there. No disrespect, but a lot of them do not know how to work on mature skin clients. A lot of them don't know how to work on fair skin clients. A lot of them don't even know how to work on almond eyes clients or hooded eyes clients or whatever. I don't see any of that on their page, you guys. And not saying that they don't do it, but you ain't putting it out there. So if I have almond eyes, I don't know to come to you or feel comfortable coming to you because I don't even see that on your page, you guys. So investing in your skill and perfecting your craft on all people and learning from anybody you can is also key. And that brings me into don't be a know-it-all. You need to have an open mind. Yes, we love what we do. We might have been doing it since we were in Pampers or whatever the case may be, but makeup, especially the techniques, is always changing. Everything in the beauty industry is always changing. These brands, these companies, they're always coming out with something new, and every time they come out with something new, there's always a new technique. I mean, now we have everybody putting blush all over their forehead, on top of their nose. They're blending the blush into the concealer. They're doing the sunset blushing now. I mean, you have to keep up with the times, y'all. Knowledge is power, and knowing how to do all these different tips and tricks is going to set you apart from everyone. And again, that goes back into getting you a model to try that sunset blush on or to do a different eye look, you guys. So definitely knowledge is power, and you want to make sure you're getting out there and learning as much as you can. And the number 6 thing, I'm just going to throw this in here as a little razzle dazzle, you guys, but post your work everywhere. I don't care, y'all. I don't give a damn. I post my work on YouTube. I post my work on every Facebook page that I have. I post my work on every Instagram that I have. I post my work on TikTok. I post my work on Snapchat. Y'all, I even post my work on LinkedIn. When I tell y'all I don't give a damn, somebody gonna see this work. Somebody who is a who's who is gonna see my work, and they're gonna book me, y'all. I promise you. Post your work everywhere. And even if you're just starting out and it may look rough in the beginning, if you continue to post and people see your progress, they're gonna know you're serious, you guys. Post your work everywhere. I don't give a damn where you post it. You can go to the newspapers and have them post your work. Post your work everywhere, because if you don't believe in yourself, who is going to believe in you, you guys? And that is my 5 to 6 ways on how to stand out as a new and beginner MUA, you guys. And of course, if you love videos like this, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to The Dream, you guys. We are almost at 1K followers. Of course, I love sharing this new journey with you guys on how to be a successful makeup artist and licensed esthetician, you guys. And don't hesitate to leave me some comments below. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, you guys.
Look, I'm trying to spend this time with you. No, we overdue what you're doing right now. Baby, won't you swing my way? It's been a day and I've been thinking out loud. I know I want you. Long time since the last time. Got a tab, we could run up. Knew you from the way, now we grown up. My look, yeah, made the realest ones nervous. But if you want it, tap in.